Intro in 1983. A U.S. Army intelligence officer sat down to write one of the strangest reports ever funded by the military. Humans step out of linear time, perceive across space, and access an invisible layer of reality. This was the gateway process, the CIA's own map for hacking consciousness. It revealed something wild, a training program that claimed to setting the scene. It came from the report wasn't written by a New Age guru, tasked with explaining, in hard military language, and what the Monroe Institute's Hemi-Sync audio was doing, and why the Army thought it might be useful for intelligence operations. Remote viewing, enhanced learning, better problem solving, and possibly the ability to operate awareness outside of space and time. The core mechanism. At the heart of Gateway is something deceptively simple. Binaural beats. Play a tone of 100 hertz in one ear and 104 in the other. And your brain doesn't just hear two tones, it hears a third beat at 4 hertz. That's the beat frequency, and your brain tends to follow it. By carefully choosing those differences, you can nudge your brain into specific states, like theta, linked to deep meditation and vivid imagery. The gateway process uses this to create hemispheric synchronization, both halves of your brain locked into the same rhythm. When that happens, mental chatter quiets down, intuition sharpens, and your ability to hold a single intention becomes laser steady. Why that matters? The report explains that a coherent brain is like a tuned radio, suddenly able to pick up subtler signals. They leaned on Carl Pribram's holographic brain theory and David Uwe Boehm's holographic universe model. If reality is an interference pattern of information, and the brain is a holographic receiver, then a synchronized brain might tap into the whole pattern, not just the small slice we see with our senses. Physics of consciousness. The Army's analysis borrows from Itzhak Bentov, who saw the body and brain as a resonant oscillator. Through breathing and subtle body rhythms, you set up standing waves inside your nervous system. With Hemi-Sync, those waves stabilize consciousness so it can couple to a non-local information field. In a hologram, every point contains the whole, meaning past, future, and distant places are all theoretically accessible. The training ladder. Gateway is built as a ladder. First, the energy conversion box. Imagine putting all your worries into a mental container and locking it away. Then, resonant tuning, deep rhythmic breathing. Then, Hemi-Sync induction through the tones. From there, focus 10, mind awake, body asleep. Focus 12, expanded awareness. Focus 15, no sense of time. Focus 21, a bridge to other realities. In these states, trainees practice remote viewing, shifting awareness outside the body, and patterning, using a coherent mind to program intentions into reality.